Okay, good morning students. Now we'll continue the revision of linear equations in two variables. Yes, this is the next topic, right? So this is extension of chapter 3, like coordinate geometry. Okay, so this is two variables means x and y like that. Okay, equation. So equation with two variables. LHS equal to RHS. Okay, example 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So two variables, variable 1, variable 2, okay, and equation balancing left and right, and so degree of equation, each variable how much? Degree of each variable 1. Yes, x power 1, y power 1. So linear. Understood now? So equation is there is equal to, and two variables, each degree is equal to 1. So linear equation in two variables. I think you are clear, right? So what is linear equation two variable? Understood now? So linear equation two variable is okay. Now, so degree of each variable is 1 and two variables and balance in left hand side to RHS is called the linear equation in two variables. Now, suppose 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. This is linear equation in one variable, right? Similar 2y is equal to, or 3y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7 by 3. Like the linear equation in one variable. So understand what is linear equation one variable and linear equation two variables, right? All of you are clear, right? Next, I'll proceed. Next, we can graph or plot the linear equation in one variable or two variables, okay, by using coordinate Cartesian plane. Already we know what is Cartesian plane, right? Okay, we know already Cartesian plane. By using it, we are able to do the plotting or graph of the linear equation in two variables. Suppose x is equal to 3 by 2. So how to get a Cartesian has 2 points, right? X value, y value. 3 by 2, y value not there, so 0. Since no y, okay, y can be assigned. Okay, x3 by 2, y minus 1, x3 by 2, y 1, likewise. Are you clear? So this is the, at least you require 3 points, one into side, one point to side, and neutral. Now see here, take the suitable y graphical region. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3 likewise. Now 3 by 2 means 1.5. 3 by 2 0 means here 1.5. This was 0. 3 by 2 1. This is 3 by 2 2. 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 2. Look how you got. You got a straight line. This is x is equal to 3 by 2. You got a straight line graph parallel to y-axis. Right or not? Through 3 by 2 comma 0. Right or not? This is the equation of the one variable. Right? So x equal to 3 by 2 you can write as 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x plus y plus 0y minus 3 is equal to 0 also. 2x plus 0y minus 3 is equal to 0 also. Are you there? Okay, this is a line parallel to x-axis. Now, suppose y is equal to 5 by 2 or 2y minus 5 or minus 5 by 2. Plus 5 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 0x plus 5 is equal to 0. This expression in two variables, this expression in two variables. Now, you can plot since no x, we can assign. X can be assigned. Now see here again, take the points, tabulation, x, y minus 5 by 2, x 0, y minus 5 by 2, x 1, y minus 5 by 2, x minus 1. Now minus 5 by 2 means minus 2.5 is this one, x 0 is this. Minus 5 by 2 minus 1 means this is 1 5 by 2 and this is, so you got a line, this is y is equal to minus 5 by 2. See, this is right side because x positive. Right side as x is positive. Suppose x negative means it will come parallel to y-axis left side. Similarly, y is minus 5 by 2 is a negative. So downwards to y-axis. So what you got? A straight line parallel to x-axis, right? Through minus 0 comma minus 5 by 2 downwards. Understood or not? So similarly, x is equal to minus means it will come here, y is equal to plus means it will come here. Are you clear? Understood now? Similarly, for x is equal to positive, we get a line parallel to y-axis, negative, left side. Okay. Also, for y is equal to positive, we get a straight line parallel to x-axis upwards. Okay, clear? Likewise, you will get. Understood now? So these are the graphical forms of, yes, variable linear equation in one variable. So far we have discussed linear equation in one variable. Okay, noted? Yes? Have you noted? So the points already you know how to plot SY we learned. According to each graph, we got the points. X value fixed here because X is only variable, Y value anything you can take. Here Y is fixed because Y value is given equation, X can be taken any value. But one positive, one negative, one zero we have taken. Right? This is about linear equation in one variable. So same way we can plot linear equation in two variables also, graph also. Right? Understood now? Now, for linear equations in two variables, we have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? Like 2x plus 3y is equal plus 5 or minus 5 is equal to 0. Right? Now to plot x value, now we have to solve x0, y value 5 by 3, y0, x value 5 by 2. Now x1, y1. X minus 2, y3. See, take more values, right? Understood now? How you got these values? But this value not possible to plot. So leave this value. Now you can take it. Right? Y0, x is equal to 5 by 2. Right? x1, y1. And x minus 2, y3. Now you can plot. Understand how it comes? x0, 1, 2, 3. Hello. Class 1 पढ़ना क्या फ्री होता पढ़ना पढ़ना के फ्री होता ना पढ़ना के now -1 -2 -3 1 2 3 now this value not to be taken because it's not a perfect we take only rounded values decimals places up to 1 to be plotted in graph of xy. Now x 2.5 y0, x1 y1, x minus 2 y3. So this is the line now line you got a slant line. You got slant line. Okay? As linear equation graph for two variables. See, this line is neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis. For one variable, what happened? It is either parallel to x-axis or either parallel to y-axis. So neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis. Zero, zero. Okay. Next, what you got here? So you got the at least 3 points or 2 points are required to form a straight line. We take 3 points. Okay, one negative, one zero, one positive, like that. So it is what you can say. It is touching the both axes. It is slant. Okay, and this line is the linear equation. So graph of linear equation two variables is a slant line, and it is neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis. Okay, we take randomly. We take x0, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, etc. and find y values. Okay? In the equation. So in this substitute x is equal to 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, 3y is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. So y is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, y is also equal to 1. So 1 comma 1 is 1 point. Like that we did. Are you clear? So like this you will get the vertices. Are you clear? Understood all of you? So linear equation in two variables is a graph, okay, with a slant, and it has a neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis. So in this case, both variables are having degree 1, so it is called linear, and equation is there to balance left and right. So equation in two variables. Okay, clear? Okay, next we'll see one more graph. Okay, x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, suppose. So x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0 means take values. X 0, y is equal to 3 by 2, x 1, y minus 1, y is equal to 2. X1, y2. Next, y0, x minus 3. Again, you take the points. X0 I took y value, x1 y value, x0 y value, like that you got here. Okay, y0 also you can give. Then we can plot the points again. Again, we can plot the graph. Let us see here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, x0, y3 by 2, 0 comma 3 by 2, x1, y2, 1 comma 2, x minus 3, y0, this is minus 3. So you got a line like this. So this is x minus 2y. Again, you got a slant line, right? Neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis. So linear equation two variables is always a slant line, and you get the values, rounded values you have taken, and you are able to plot them as a graph. But always you will get a linear equation in two variables will be a straight line. The graph of this is very important. You will not get curved line. All the points, all the coordinate points are collinear. Because any point you take, there will be, this is minus 3 comma 0. So all of them are collinear. They form in the same straight line. Are you clear? Yes. Now, suppose the graph of x is equal to a is parallel to y-axis, right side. Again, graph of x is equal to minus a is parallel to y-axis, left side. Similarly, graph of y is equal to b is parallel to x-axis, upwards. Next, graph of y is equal to minus b is parallel to x-axis, downwards. Okay, so y is equal to minus b is parallel to x-axis. For x-axis, up and down. For y-axis, left and right. So for x-axis, up positive, down negative. Again for y-axis, right side positive, left side negative. Okay, clear all of you? Yes, understood now? Next, graph of x-axis, x is equal to 0. Y-axis, again graph of y is equal to 0 is x-axis. Because on x-axis y is 0, on y-axis x is also equal to 0. So this is about, they are already inbuilt. Both x-axis and y-axis are inbuilt only. So no need to again plot them. Are you clear? So this is all about linear equations in two variables. Okay, we are left with only graphical part. Solving types we will discuss further. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss that solving part. Okay, graphical part we will discuss today. Okay.